not actually making apps much, because it is a really long process for getting verification. As you can see, all of these details, I think it took me around an hour or so, even with the help of AI. I used Cursor to understand the whole prompt and what I should select, but still it's a lengthy process, and hopefully we are done. Let me save it, and I think we are. Oh, government apps, finance, feature, health, merchant account, setup, pricing for your app. There's a lot of things. I think more than creating the app, going through this verification takes a long time. So let me go through that. For the people who are trying to follow me in the new videos, I don't know whether you know this, but there are a lot of people who are actually using AI agents to delegate tasks. Not to do like massive tasks, but to delegate tasks like website review, email analysis, email sending. So I think AI agents are much friendlier to do tasks which are repetitive. And I was like inspired by this Indian guy who had made like AI agents, and I just wanted to replicate it. And this is how I made my Notion ecosystem, which is like an Obsidian database, but I think this is much more cleaner. And this is made by Claude, so Hermes agent can use it. I will tell you the downfalls of this in the next video, so stay tuned. So we are creating a Cloudflare account, and then we will host the Hermes agent dashboard via Cloudflare, while Claude is actually creating an intense pirate crew inside Notion. So if I go to Notion, you have a calendar, subtasks, and these tasks can be done by the Hermes agent. These tasks can be monitored by Hermes agent, and Brook and Sanji are all Hermes agent sub multi agents. And on top of it, Claude also has access to this page, and this whole page was created in Claude, so it also has access to it. So you can kind of connect a research agent like Hermes agent to a developing agent like Claude, and then if we connect like ChatGPT and Perplexity as well, like we have like 10 plus 20 employees that would be working in our company. For a fraction of price, right? That is the ideal setup. I think Claude has done all the things here, and as you can see, this is the whole manual for work. So what I'm going to do is copy this one, go to Hermes agent, and paste it here. And Hermes agent will figure out how to make the connection live. I think we have to, on top of it, we have to give the API access as well to this new page. The new page name is Pirate Crew Grand Line. I think if this integration would work. Not here, it's under integration and public integration, browse integration. Come on. Internal connection. So we have to go to internal connection. At the moment, Hermes agent doesn't have the access to that particular page, so let me just give that access as well. The internet here is a bit slow. Let's log in. So this is the Hermes agent connection. So inside Hermes agent, you have to add that page. So you go here, Teamspace, General, and Legacy Archive, and this is the page that we need to add for Hermes agent to make it. So edit access, private, and now Hermes agent will have access. Is there a yes or done somewhere? No, nothing is there. So now Hermes agent would have access to it. Now let me finish this Cloudflare thing.
Okay, now let me run through why I am actually using Cloudflare. So I needed a dashboard so that I can see how multi-agents communicate with each other and complete tasks.
So we are connecting a proxy server to Cloudflare.
So the problem is, if you let AI agents to work by themselves, you don't know whether it's actually doing the right work or whether they are hallucinating and doing the wrong work. So in order to understand that, I first thought to create a dashboard whereby I can see whatever the AI agents are doing it, which later I will figure out by myself that is a very bad task, because there is no way to track these tasks, and in the long run it will actually be not beneficial for setting up the system. So that would be a wind up for today, and hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and follow me to understand how this AI system actually works in the next one.